Nayars and Holy Trinity, I think you have stated.
We have a very beautiful neuro setup there because we are attached with medicine ward and everything.
Holy grail, which we always say of our speech and hearing field, are definitely AYJ, Nayak.
It's a government hospital, so that is also not an issue.
A very upcoming college in terms of bachelor.
The best college is Aish because the infrastructure, everything. Hello, myself Mayur Pathak. I completed my graduation from Nair Hospital, Mumbai, and my post-graduation from Aish Mysore in Masters in Audiology. And I'm currently working in Amity University, Gurgaon as a clinical supervisor.
I've done my bachelor's from JSS Institute of Speech and Hearing, Mysore, and I've completed my PG from KMC Mangalore. And I'm currently working as a neuro-based SLP in a hospital setup.
Who's gonna break for the session over here? So shall we begin with Mr. Pathak over here?
Okay, fine.
Are the panelists okay with it?
Yes, sure. Yes, please.
Yes.
Starting with the as you said, the colleges and all, that I would highly recommend students should focus on Nair Hospital, as previously it was used to come under Maharashtra CET exam, but now as now we have NEET, so it's open. The admissions are open for all over India, so they should focus on that. Then comes AYJ Mumbai. Then you can focus on PGI Chandigarh also, which is also a good college. Even Aish is also there, but for Aish you need to give the entrance exam. So for those who want to do Aish, I think those who have applied, even they can focus on Aish also. And then you have JIPMER also, because recently JIPMER also in Pondicherry they also started the course. So according to me, this will be good colleges. The reason for this is most of the colleges which I mentioned is hospital based. So when you are dealing in a field, it's preferred that you should have exposure to hospital setup also, because most of the clients, as we are dealing in even we call ourselves a paramedical, we are dealing with clients. So if you are attached with a hospital setup, getting clients and the variety of clients and the exposure which you get in the clinical setup is good comparatively in hospital setup rather than institute setup. So those who are planning to join, they should focus on hospital based college. Even I think Jabalpur is there, Indore is there, which is good with a hospital setup. So even they can focus on that also.
Nair, according to you, the candidate should mostly focus on two. So
Yes.
that is your first recommendation.
Yes.
And could I ask you what is the clinical exposure type over there? How the infrastructure over there?
Okay.
Completely agree with what Mr. Mayur said. We need to take focus mainly upon colleges which are attached along with a hospital-based setup. So, but as such, the holy grail, which we always say of our speech and hearing field, are definitely AYJ, Nayars, and Aish. So apart from that, I would also suggest that there are a lot of colleges in South India specifically which people are not mainly aware of, and one such I think is Father Muller's College of Speech and Hearing as well, which is in Mangalore. So even that is right now a very upcoming college in terms of bachelors also. And along with Father Muller's, there are another few colleges in Mangalore, one being definitely KMC, and along with that another institute called MAPS as well. So these also can be taken up by students who are aspiring to join our field as well.
Talking about infrastructure, according to the intake capacities used to be 10 seats per year. Now it has been increased to 20 seats per year. So infrastructure wise, they have a whatever equipment is required, it's there. If you want me to rate out of 5, I might give 3 or 3.5, because it's not a very huge college. It's a small department which comes under hospital setup. So infrastructure is small, but the variety of cases, if you want me to talk, I will rate 5 out of 5, because we get all kind of cases from even for speech and audio. So if you want to talk in speech, we have autism school there, autism section there, LD section there. So usually we deal with in children. Then we get CSLD like child language delay cases also. We get voice cases also. We have a very beautiful neuro setup there because we are attached with medicine ward and everything. So Didarthi, aphasia and all solving cases are on the regular basis you can see. And coming to audiology, it's attached with the ENT department. So from vestibular to all specialties, everything you'll get a client access. So basically you have a more number of cases also and the variety of cases also. As it's in Mumbai, so even the number of cases is more. So even if it's not like okay you are getting a variety of cases, but the number of cases is light. And it's a government hospital, so that is also not an issue. So that is like I recommended it. They can opt for PGI Chandigarh also. It's also what you can call an hospital-based setup. Then if you want me to rate, like give a comment on institute-based college, the best college is Aish because the infrastructure, everything is there good. So they can focus on that also. And then AYG Mumbai also.
Isn't it?
Yeah, Jabalpur. Like basically, like my first recommendation will be hospital-based college. Because as you are dealing with as you are dealing with primary clients, it's better to have a hospital attached with your hospital rather than having a collaboration. Because when you have collaboration, the cases, number of cases which you get, you might face a difficulty. But when you attach with a hospital, getting cases is not a difficult job.
Father Mullahs, you have stated the Holy Trinity, I think you have stated.
The Holy Grail, I would say, is Aish
Grail.
and Nayars.
Aish, Nayars and
AYJ, definitely.
Aish, Nayars and